Hi, I would like to thank Xsense for sending me this 2-pack of plug-in carbon monoxide detectors. They look like this, and it is a 2-pack. So some things that I need to tell you about this. First of all, we like the Xsense brand. We've got some other items from them in our home, and we really like them. So like I told you, I have got the 2-pack. They do plug in. They do have a spot for 2 AA batteries. It comes with the AA batteries, but the thing to remember about this is you want to plug it in. The batteries are just for redundancy if you happen to lose power in your house, but otherwise keep them plugged in. So you also get a manual. You got this card that has a QR code on the back of it so you can learn more about the company. And then these stickers that you can put on this that talks about carbon monoxide, what it is, and what to do. So I would like to show you a couple of things about this. We've got some indicator lights here. There's a message on here, do not paint, because sometimes when you have things plugged in and then you're doing renovations and whatever, things get painted over, don't paint it. And then this is the test button. And then we've got a readout up here. So I am going to plug this in and show you how it works. Okay, so I am going to press the button to test it. Just to let you know, this will be a loud, high-pitched beep. So here we go. Now it's testing it. You can see the dots, testing, and then it says pass. And then this is a 0 for right now, meaning we don't have any carbon monoxide, and it will go up to 99 is the high level. So it's really recommended to put this in an area where you might have, for instance, a fireplace. We have a fireplace right here, though it is a gas fireplace. Even if you have a wood fireplace, you would want to maybe put it in that area. And like I said, it comes with a 2-pack. So if you've got a basement that you want to, and then your main level or an upstairs or whatever, you can also take it with you if you travel. If that concerns you, that you might be staying in a place that might have carbon monoxide present, you could take this and plug it in where you're staying when you travel. So this is really nice, and we highly recommend it. And again, we love the Xsense brand, so we highly recommend items from them as well. Thanks.